Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to disable AutoShoot in Infinity Ops. If you want to disable AutoShoot option in Infinity Ops so that you can take full control of your aim and gameplay, this tutorial is for you. First of all, launch the Infinity Ops game on your mobile device and make sure that you've updated the game to the latest version for best performance. Once you're inside this lobby screen, click on the gear button at the top left corner. From the settings menu that pops up on the screen, click on Controls at the top left, and under Controls, scroll down and look for AutoShoot option. Toggle off the button right next to AutoShoot and make sure that it turns gray. Soon after you have this switch off, this will disable AutoShoot. This will now give you manual control over when your weapon fires. You can also tweak aim assist and other options available in this page. So after you have that button turned off, you can easily disable AutoShoot in Infinity Ops. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.